I've been looking for a way out.
Someday. I'll be hauling one of these. I think it's pretty cool. Still sitting here since yesterday. We're loaded, so somewhat of a positive 24 hours sitting here just to get loaded. So let's try to get the fuck out of here. Is this thing set up correctly? Yeah. See over the hood on how you're sitting?
Can I see what?
Over the hood.
Like I can't see the hood when I sit back like this. Should I be able to?
Well, to understand the truck more, yeah. To know exactly where you're at when you make your turn.
All right. Well, everybody, we are in Utah on 84. Damn. Oh, but anyways, in Utah on 84. That's not gonna focus. And right now, it looks nice out here, but there's a warning: snowstorm, 4 to 8 inches coming in. So gotta get the hell out of here. Well, been a warning since earlier today, but yeah. what, everybody? I parked on the snowbank. That way I could roll forward or roll backwards. So I got fuel. Car's still good. Just blowing snow. Walking backwards. Yeah. Whoa. I'll fall on my ass. Was to get through Wyoming from Rawlins, which is like 10 to 15 miles up the road, westbound. From Rawlins to at least Laramie or Cheyenne, I was trying to get through there before the storm hit, which the storm really didn't hit because it was supposed to be snowing. But the wind picked up, and that's mainly the reason why they closed the road. So if it wasn't for the wind, I'll still be able to roll. But since the wind picked up, now I don't know if you guys could actually see how much snow was blowing before I got here. So yeah, I wonder where he's going. Maybe you know something I don't know, or we don't know, or he's just going or he's going right there. Probably going right there. But yeah, they probably won't open it until tomorrow morning or sometime, because it's supposed to start snowing at 8 o'clock, which is like a little bit after 8, which is not snowing, it's just that blowing snow right now. But it's supposed to be snowing all the way until 11 o'clock tonight. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to open up the road, but it all depends on how fast this wind dies down. And I'm about, I forget how many miles away I am, but I'm about a good, 1,300 miles around there, give or take, which I was on track on being there when I said I was going to, but it didn't really pan out. So yeah, and the only reason why I parked next to this guy is because I didn't want to park. I usually do park by myself, but since you got so many trucks right there, and I backed up far enough to where my sleeper is behind his reefer, so I don't really have to deal with his reefer, depending on how loud it is and all that other good stuff. But yeah, it's like 20 degrees outside right now. And also, I don't want to park the way that guy did over there, because I don't know if you could tell, but he's at a freaking angle to where the way he's sitting is cockeyed to where, the wind's actually pushing him the way he's cockeyed. So yeah, that doesn't make sense. But in reality, my truck, instead of facing the way it's facing, it would be best to actually face angled like this because that's the way the wind's blowing. Either direction, facing either or, but as you can see back here, it's so much big space that at least there's enough parking, and I know my student's gonna get up and get out of the truck. Now you see drivers right now. That driver is probably trying to make a U-turn, and there's another driver behind them. So, yeah. What can you do? So, like I said, I was on schedule. Not on schedule no more. But because I said I'll be there on the 2nd at 1500, which I was dead on track. I was going to be like a couple hours early, but I didn't get through here fast enough, and I knew it was coming at 8 o'clock. I looked at the weather and I was like, yeah, it's gonna hit. If I don't get past Rawlins by 7 o'clock, it's done. Well, I didn't make it. I got here at 8 o'clock when the storm hit, so yeah, I couldn't. What can you do? So, oh yeah. Happy New Year's, everybody. It's 2020. Well, so far, it's not going that great. Road shut down for everybody. Sound bitch, but alright. Oh well. Just start off, hopefully, positive attitude. Can't do nothing about Mother Nature. If she wants to put your ass in a shutdown mode, your ass is gonna be shut down. So, yeah. But other than that, hopefully you guys have a good New Year's. Make sure you drink a lot. For me, anyways, because I ain't gonna be drinking shit. So, yeah. Damn, I should have stopped in Rawlins at the Walmart. I ain't got food I haven't had food in my truck or anything in my truck for a minute. But, oh well, not a big deal. I'm at a Sinclair, but I'm not gonna go in there and fucking buy anything out of there. So, I'm gonna get out of this fucking code, get into my truck, warm up, because my ass been up since yesterday. Got up like at 6 o'clock. I didn't get up, but I woke up like at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning yesterday, and I haven't went to sleep yet. I started driving at 3. I stayed up the whole time he was driving, and I started at 3 o'clock. So, yeah, 3 o'clock Arizona time. But yeah, get out of this code, and yeah.